Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by gathering kombu, dried shiitake, and optional niboshi or kelp pieces for umami. For a basic vegetarian, Dashi use 20 g kombu and 10 g dried shiitake per 1 L water. Steep the mushrooms and kombu together to extract glutamates. If you want a fishier note, add 10 g niboshi per 1 L or omit them to keep it vegan. Use 1 L water as a base and scale ingredients linearly. Measuring by grams keeps consistent flavor across batches. Place 20 g kombu and 10 g dried shiitake into 1 L cold water and soak for 30 minutes or up to overnight for deeper flavor. After soaking, warm the pot slowly and remove the kombu just before boiling, around 70 degrees C, to prevent bitterness and sliminess. If you include 10 g niboshi, add them after removing kombu and bring to a gentle simmer for 5–10 minutes, then strain. Longer boiling releases bitter compounds. Strain through a fine sieve or cloth for a clear broth. After straining, cool dashi quickly and refrigerate in airtight containers for up to 3 days or freeze portions for up to 1 month. To make a stronger stock, double the ingredients for the same 1 L water or reduce the finished dashi by simmering gently until it reaches desired concentration. You can reuse kombu and shiitake once more by simmering for 10 minutes, then discard if the flavor is weak or the kombu is slimy. Use this dashi for miso soup, noodle broths, simmered vegetables, and sauces.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.